Hey guys! So today's video is all about short hair hacks, tricks and tips for styling short hair. Let's get started. So hair hack 1 comes from Chris Jones. He shows us how to create gorgeous waves on his client. Now you might think that it's impossible to style waves on shorter hair, but it isn't. Chris Jones says to achieve this look, use a smaller iron and smaller sections in alternating directions. This will create a tousled look, perfect for a night out or simply just to try something new. Hair hack number 2 comes from stylist Sit in My Chair. She shows us how using certain products can extend the life of your hair. This product in particular comes from Sexy Hair and creates volume, lift, and shine in her tresses. Plus, she claims that it makes her hair smell amazing. Hair hack number 3 comes from 2 of my favorite Instagrammers. They show us not 1, but 2 hair hacks. The first one is how to remove static from your hair by attaching it to a dryer sheet and then brushing it with the sheet on it. While the second one includes turning your short hair into a long ponytail for a night out. Hair hack 4 features a nifty twist from the previous hack. Instead of turning short hair into long, she turns longer strands into short. Perfect for us wanting to cut our strands but not quite ready to take the full leap. Hack 5 comes from Jocelyn, who turns 2-day-old hair into fun curls with volume and sass. She says just a few curls on top make the look fun. Hair hack number 6. Number 6 isn't as much of a hack as it is a wow. Although she doesn't really show us any tricks for maintaining her strands, we just have to stop in amazement and gaze at her hair. Hack 7 and 8 comes from an Instagrammer who isn't afraid of using color to make her short hair pop. First, she shows us how to dye your strands purple, and then she goes with one of this year's hottest hues, silver. The last two hair hacks come from Sophie, who shows us how to have fun with bouncy curls in a half up, half down style, as well as the perfect way to create a fun twisted look for glam everyday style. Alright guys, that's it for these short hair hacks. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. All of the wonderful stylists can be found listed in the description box below, so be sure to check out their Instagram accounts when you get a chance. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.